Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rear mirror dash cam is probably one of the most sought-after car accessories for drivers who prioritize safety and peace of mind. This innovative device seamlessly integrates a high-quality dash camera into a standard rearview mirror, providing a discreet yet effective way to record your driving experience, capture crucial evidence in case of accidents, and offer an added layer of security against potential incidents or disputes. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect rear mirror dash cam for your needs. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large 12-inch display drastically reduces blind spots, enhancing your safety. It boasts a wide field of view, minimizing blind spots while driving and reversing. The smart split screen shows both cameras simultaneously for complete awareness. This dash cam delivers exceptional image quality, day or night. Advanced technology ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS accurately records your journey. Easily review your driving data and relive your trips with precise location information. It provides continuous surveillance of your vehicle, even when parked. Time-lapse recording conserves power and storage, hardware kit required. Enjoy reliable performance with the upgraded USB-C port and added features like streaming media rear view and adjustable viewing angles. What we like. It boasts a stunning 4K UHD front camera and a large 12 display, minimizing blind spots. Its superior night vision ensures clear recordings even in low light. If you prioritize crystal clear video quality in a wide viewing angle, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear, the wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. The build quality is superior. Ease of use is a piece of cake feature packed for all the stuff you need for a dash cam as part of a mirror with none of the needless gimmicks. Video image quality is crisp and clear given that it's 4K UHD. The cameras, both front and rear, function very well. Larger than your standard rear view mirror size. Number 4. WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dash Cam. Experience superior clarity with its 12-inch 4K front and WDR rear cameras. Easily see details like license plates and road signs, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. It boasts 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast, stable connections to your smartphone. View and download videos in real time, sharing your driving records is now easier than ever. Keep your hands on the wheel with its intelligent voice control. Use simple commands to start recording, take pictures, or change camera views for enhanced safety and convenience. Enjoy improved low-light performance with its low reflectivity screen and advanced WDR technology. The 6-glass lens ensures superior image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. It features loop recording, a G-sensor to protect collision footage, and parking monitor functionality, requires additional WOLFBOX hardware kit. Get started right away with the included 64GB card and GPS. Track your route, speed, and location. This data can be crucial evidence if needed. Your purchase includes a 1-year warranty, software updates, and 24/7 customer support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. This model offers fast and stable 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for easy video access and convenient voice control. It also comes with a generous 64GB card. If you value seamless connectivity and hands-free operation, this dash cam is for you. What people say. The 4K resolution provides crystal clear video quality, making it easy to see every detail on the road. One of the best features is that you can use the rearview video as a rearview mirror without seeing people's heads in the way, which enhances visibility and safety. The 12-inch Full HD display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, providing clear and detailed video footage. It features a 170-degree wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the road, reducing blind spots. The angle of the front and rear camera is wide and the resolution on the mirror is great. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840H Mirror Dash Cam. It boasts an 11.8-inch screen and a powerful processor. Enjoy crystal clear 2.5K front and 1080p rear video, without the overheating issues of other high-resolution dash cams. Its efficient encoding saves space, so you can record more. The large apertures and WDR technology on the front and rear lenses ensure vibrant images, day or night. Advanced denoising removes blur and noise, providing clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. It comes with a 32GB card and a GPS module, so you're all set. The GPS and GVPLAYR software record your speed, location, and driving route, providing valuable data in case of an accident. Loop recording overwrites old files automatically. A G-sensor locks footage from collisions. Parking monitoring acts as a security system when parked. Reverse assist switches to the rear camera with guidelines when you shift into reverse. We offer a 12-month warranty, software updates, and 24/7 customer support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may have. What we like. With its 2.5K front and 1080p rear cameras and a wide viewing angle, it provides excellent image quality without overheating issues. It also includes a 32GB card. If you need a balance of high resolution and reliable performance, this is a great option. What people say. This solves all of that and works very well. When shopping for this device, I read a lot of reviews for this mirror, along with many other models. One of the complaints I read about that concerned me was if a vehicle behind you had bright lights at night, the view would be distorted from the light bloom, and you wouldn't be able to see anything. I think that's false. My mirror has a very clear view at night, and yes, there is a little bit of light saturation from cars or trucks behind me, but it's a better view than what I see out of my side mirrors without a camera or screen involved. Replaces the OEM mirror on my pickup, which has a tinted rear window, plus a tinted front window in the rear cap, plus a rear tinted window at the tailgate window, thus visibility has been dismal since I added the cap. This fixed that. I actually screwed down the rear camera to the top of the cap above the tailgate window, drilled a hole through the cap, having purchased a 50-foot camera cable routed that through the bed and underneath the truck frame to the engine compartment and into the footwell on the driver's side, then a piece of cake to route the wire to the mirror. This mirror camera works very well, gives me great visibility out the rear, has an image that shows a wide image so easy to see pedestrians or vehicles crossing behind me. The large 12 display seamlessly integrates into my car's interior, serving as both a high-definition monitor and a reliable rear-view mirror. The crystal clear 1440p front and 1080p rear FHD dashcam recordings offer exceptional clarity and detail, ensuring that every moment on the road is captured with precision and accuracy. The waterproof backup camera further enhances safety and convenience, allowing me to maneuver my vehicle with confidence during parking and reversing maneuvers. Number 2. WOLFBOX G900 Mirror Dash Cam. Experience superior video quality with this dash cam's Ultra HD 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras. It captures crystal clear footage, day or night, for complete peace of mind. It boasts a built-in supercapacitor, offering faster charging, extended lifespan, and enhanced safety compared to traditional lithium batteries. It's also resistant to extreme temperatures. Enjoy a large, bright 12-inch IPS touchscreen for easy viewing and control. Its anti-glare technology ensures clear visibility in any lighting conditions. With its advanced WDR technology and large f1.5 aperture, it delivers exceptional night vision and clear images even in low-light conditions. See everything, even at night. It offers loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, emergency recording, parking monitoring, and GPS tracking for complete 24/7 protection. It provides reliable evidence in case of an accident. Benefit from a wide 320 degrees field of view, minimizing blind spots. The adjustable rear camera angle and selectable reverse modes make parking safer and easier. Installation is simple and straightforward. We provide a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience the ultimate in video quality with its 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras. The built-in supercapacitor ensures reliable performance and longevity. The large touchscreen makes operation simple and intuitive. If you demand top-tier video quality and advanced features, choose this one. What people say. The video quality is excellent on both units and I can easily read license plates out to 30+ feet or more, even on passing vehicles on both the front and rear cams. Both of the camera's day or night recordings are extremely sharp and can easily read license plates. Camera, picture, quality is very sharp, colors are perfect. There are two resolution settings, front and rear equals 30 fps, 1440p plus 1440p, smoother playback since more frames per second. Number 1. PORMIDO Triple Mirror Dash Cam. This 12-inch mirror cam simultaneously records the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. Enjoy peace of mind with a view of everything around you, easily switching between views as needed. Unlike other mirror cameras, it features a unique anti-glare screen for optimal viewing, even in bright sunlight. The advanced sensor ensures clear images and videos, even at night, without overexposure from headlights. The front and interior cameras are detachable, providing flexible installation options. You can easily switch between mirrored and reversed images from all three cameras. Easily adjust the reverse lines to fit your vehicle. The long cable is suitable for most cars, and longer cables are available for larger vehicles. The built-in GPS adds speed, location, and route data to your recordings. It also offers parking monitoring, loop recording, G-sensor, and split-screen display, supporting up to 128 GB memory card. What we like. This dashcam features 3 cameras for complete vehicle coverage, an anti-glare screen for optimal visibility, and detachable cameras for flexible mounting. If you need comprehensive interior and exterior monitoring and a clear view in any light, this is your best bet. What people say. The backup camera is protected in a solid metal housing and it's a great setup all around with clear resolution. The touchscreen mirror monitor is also well made. It feels very solid and once mounted, the unit stays in place without any shake or movement. The unit is super easy to use, user-friendly, and the touch response of the screen is quick and feels top-notch. The inside camera with GPS have saved me 2 tickets in court. Highway patrol accused me of speeding during a night drive, and also threw in a not wearing seatbelt as well since I had my seatbelt removed by the time he came to my door. Even though it was at night, the camera clearly showed me wearing seatbelt the whole time and only removed it just before the officer got to my window. The speed in the GPS coincided with the speed I told the officer I knew I was going, contradicting his accusation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.